Okay, we have a few things here. One of my favorite kitchen magnets. Will work for billionaires. I'm not sure any of you remember this folder, but Memorial Day weekend, 2004, a bunch of us went camping together.
Yes.
And I just love the first one was group hike Lake Swift, no ropes involved. This is all of our material from that weekend.
All right, treat.
Thank you for organizing that, Wiley.
What's that?
Thank you for organizing that.
You're very welcome. And to give love to Me Young once again, who I also called today to try and get her to come out. Count.
Put the hat in. Put the hat in.
Very quickly,
Never give up.
I had the honor of
I'm a woman.
Get out of there.
I'm trying to steal something.
Don't mess with other people's stuff.
Two things that haven't been mentioned. One of them is John McCain, and the other is being out of character, which is one of the most fun things to do while you're pretending to be part of the Billionaires, or when you're on a limo tour or something fun like that. Great memories like being kicked out of the Mall of America, scaring old ladies, watching a Time magazine photographer getting punched in the face by an 80-year-old farmer in Iowa, all on the same day.
That was a good day.
That was pretty much my first day as one of the Billionaires.
Bath of fire.
And this year, you know, we worked really hard as lobbyists for McCain. We went to the RNC and tried to spread the word. And so for my my donation is my sadly unusable from now on, since he won't be running for re-election, my McCain-Palin button.
Minneapolis, right?
Those were the days.
Minneapolis, yes.
We can't tell you who to vote for. Yes.
I was honored to join the Billionaires back in 2005, 2006, and one of my most